सिंगर शान ने रखी एक शाम बॉलीवुड के 3 म्यूजिक लेजेंड्स के नाम। जी हाँ, शान ने अपनी वाइफ के साथ मिलकर ऑर्गेनाइज किया एक इवेंट where he paid tribute to legends like किशोर कुमार, मोहम्मद रफी एंड मुकेश। इस इवेंट पर शान के सपोर्ट में म्यूजिक नगरी से आए कई सेलेब्स, जिन्होंने बात भी की इस इवेंट के बारे में एंड शेयर्ड देयर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बीइंग देयर।
Shan is an old friend and he's been associated with us, I think probably from the first film we ever did. So, you know, it's a matter of us coming here, supporting a brother in his new venture, and I think this show is produced by Radhika, his wife. I'm sure it's going to be a great one, and of course paying tribute to the three great legends. So you can't go wrong over there. I think we're going to have a wonderful evening. Looking forward.
Brilliant, beautiful show. It was so heartening to hear Shan sing in his own style, in his own andaz. My beloved father's songs, Kishore Das songs and Rafi Saab's songs. Shan, other than being a legendary singer, is a great human being, a very sweet, lovable guy, and we all love him. The entire music fraternity was here.
Fantastic. Wow. I felt like I went back about 20 years, first 30 years, then 20 years. बहुत अच्छा था. इतना Shan has taken us to a nostalgic trip.
आज की शाम बहुत अच्छी थी क्योंकि I got the best of it. मैं थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया but it's a fantastic effort.
बहुत ही मस्ती भरा and a lot of fun. इतनी old memories और सारे गाने, और my mom was most excited because वो चाहती थी शान को सुनना है, वो शान की बहुत बड़ी fan है.
Actually, the evening made me go through a gamut of emotions. I was smiling throughout, but there were moments when I had tears in my eyes. There were moments when I was overwhelmed, and there were times when I was so proud. Overall, I was so proud of Shan because in these days and times, to take up a challenge like this where you have to sing songs of such stalwarts and do justice to them.
वहीं शान ने भी अपने इस इवेंट के बारे में हमसे बात की।
The idea of tribute was always there, but how do we do it? How do we go about it? How do we bring something new to it? How do we, redesign the whole idea of giving tribute? And it's a huge task to give tribute to three, legends as of Mukesh ji, Rafi Saab, Kishore Da. So itne gaane hain, how do you select the songs that you want to do? How do you break it down to a 2.5 hour show? So a lot of thinking, strategizing, a lot of song lists, plans, but entirely the credit goes to my wife Radhika for pursuing this, for making it a reality, and giving me this wonderful opportunity to actually, give tribute to three of my favorite singers.
Okay, whose song was the difficult?
नहीं, किसी सिंगर की बात नहीं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे गाने थे जो मैंने उतने सुने नहीं थे या उससे ध्यान से सीखा नहीं था, तो उन गानों को सीखना पड़ा, और मैं बहुत आलसी हूँ तो वो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था.
We met Mahadevan. We met Mahadevan downstairs and he told that he'll be contributing just by clapping. So do you think he should also come on stage and he should have helped you?
I'm sure I would have loved for them to all come on stage and help me, but at the end of the day कहेंगे ये अच्छी बात है, हम लोग को पहले invite करते हो और फिर हमसे गाने भी गवाते हो. But we are having a section now, the latest section, where there's some time and for permits, we're going to have some fun with all the wonderful singers that we have there.
Okay, 3 legends are done. Next आपके लिस्ट में और कौन है?
इतनी जल्दी तो हम लिस्ट नहीं बताएंगे, इनको ही करते करते ज़रा वक्त तो लगेगा. But we'll plan something else, and of course left to radical concepts as my wonderful wife decides.
कहना पड़ेगा कि शान ने इस इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज करके एक बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव लिया है, और हम चाहते हैं कि ऐसे इनिशिएटिव बॉलीवुड में दूसरे सेलेब्स भी लें। फॉर अभिषेक सिंह, ज़ूम मुंबई।